it says island, and that looks to me like an island over there. What you guys can see is a head with the two antennae. The area we are in is known as fandoms. Just lovely. The biggest obstacle is going to be your fears, but not your safety. There's nothing as beautiful as the sea. Beautiful, it's a harmless snake, it doesn't even bite. That could be the library, guys.
Let's go!
Because this painting that you see there might be several thousand years old. This library talks about a time long, long ago.